Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stella Simbi, and thank you so much guys for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. So today I'm going to show you how to make this twist wig from start to finish. This video is very detailed. You're going to see everything, how to achieve this nice twist wig. So stick around and watch till the end. Thank you. I'm going to be using this darling braids color hash 1 gray, and it's an ombre, so it's black mixed with gray, and I'm going to be using 5 packs of it. So I'm going to be using 5, 2 for the closure and 3 for the other part for the back. So firstly I'm going to place my wig cap on my dome head, then I'm going to sew my Swiss lace on the wig cap, then we can continue talking.
Know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
After sewing your Swiss lace, you can cut off the excess, then cut the wig cap underneath the net. I'm going to be showing you 3 ways of how to make your twist at the back. So the first way, I'm going to be using a crochet. You can just place it on the wig cap like that, and then hook your hair and close the latch and pass it through, then pull only one side of the braid, then you can start twisting. As you can see, I'm using a small crochet pin, but you can also use a bigger one, but for the closure you need this smaller one. So just continue twisting and until you finish the ends. So I'm going to show you again this first method. Put your crochet on your wig cap, then take your braiding hair, place it on your crochet, close the latch, pull it out and pull one side of your braid and start twisting your twist like that. So the second method is for someone who likes to do twist business, but they are too tired to do the twist that you will ventilate at the back. So you can ask someone to twist this for you, but I've already did this, so I'm going to show you how to install them on your wig cap. Just take your crochet, place it like that on your wig cap, go to the loop of the twist, then put it on the latch, close the latch, pull it out and go to the ends of your twist, put it on the hook, then pull it through the loop like that. This way you can do it with someone, like you can do the closure and someone will do this for the back, and then you can later install them. So if you are someone who likes to do twist business but you're just too tired to twist all this, because this is really tiring, it's really tiring, so you can ask someone to do the back twist then while you are doing the closure, and then you can install them on your wig cap. You can reduce the spacing as you work your way up, as you can see right there. At the lower part I was doing more spacing, and at the top I was reducing the space. And this is the third way. I use a needle to install my twist. As you can see, this part is really hard, and if you try to use a crochet it might break. So I use a needle. You just go to the ends of your twist and put it on your needle, and then you can place your needle on your wig cap and go to the loop of your twist and pass the twist through the loop like that. So right now I'm going to show you how to do the closure. You can just place your crochet like that, then take your hair, place it on your crochet, close the latch and pass it through, then pull one side just like that. You can just ventilate on on those holes. Your Swiss lace, you know, it has little holes in it, so you can just place your crochet on the holes, then you can pass through your hair. And after doing that, I'm going to be using water to do my twisting. This braid is really soft, so it's kind of hard to twist it, so I'm going to be using water. Then you can just twist until you finish the ends. Look how nice it's looking. It's really looking really neat like that. So make sure when you're ventilating your braids on your Swiss lace, you have to ventilate them in a straight line so that it can look as neat as possible. You have to ventilate in a straight line and do like a brick method, that you place the twist on top in between the twist that on the back. So as you can see, these are the lines that I'm talking about. It's really looking organized and neat. So at the front, I'm going to mark my closure. I'm going to mark quarter of an inch. That's how my lines are going to be. Each line is going to be a quarter of an inch. So I'm going to be having 10 lines on each side. So total there will be 20 lines on my closure. As you can see, ventilate the twist in between the previous line so that it can look like a brick method like that. Just ventilate, and I'm spacing about 6 rows in between the twist. I will reduce the gapping when I'm reaching my parting. So just twist. So guys, I want to thank every one of you who took their time to subscribe to my channel, who took their time to like my videos, who took their time to comment. Thank you so much. And if you haven't subscribed to this point, please considering hitting the subscribe button, like, comment and share. Yeah, so right here at the middle part, I'm going to leave 2 lines that's going to be in between the both sides. That's going to be my parting. So I'm just going to ventilate. And here at the front, you remember I said I was spacing like 6 rows before, but now at the parting I'm going to space 2 rows in between the twist. 2 rows, so that it can close all the gaps but still looks nice. So just ventilate your hair like that, leaving 2 rows in between the twist. Then you can twist. Yeah, like that. Continue twisting. I know it's hard, but the end result is really worth it. Yeah, it's really hard to do the twist wig, and take breaks if you feel tired, and the end result is really worth it. I'm sorry about the noise, guys. The kids are back from school, so they're making noise. Yeah, so just continue. I'm really excited about the end result, guys. I'm really excited. It was worth it. The pain was worth it. Yeah, it's really looking nice and neat. As you can see right here, the gapping between the lines is really uniform. It's all looking the same. So I'm going to place the ends of my twist in hot water, and then I'm going to let it dry, and I'm going to try it, and then you can see how nice it looks like this. It's really looking good on me and I'm loving it. It was really worth it. Yeah, twist wigs are really hard to do. It takes time, patience. Yeah. But the end result is really worth it, and I really love this wig. It's really looking good on me. So thank you so much guys for watching. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. So guys, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to comment. So I'll be doing another video showing you how to do the entire wig using only a needle. So if you're interested in watching that video, please subscribe if you haven't, so that when I drop the video you can be notified and you can see the video. Goodbye.